In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add a bank account to Interactive Brokers. So to achieve this, select the menu icon, then select withdraw. If you have multiple accounts, select the account of your choice. In your case, if you do not have a bank account, then you will see the option to add a new withdrawal method. Now, if you're not based in the US, the best option for you most likely is BankWire. Right? If you do have a US bank account like Bank of America, you can connect to your bank via ACH. If you have a Wise Bank account, you can also use this option to link Wise to your Interactive Brokers. You also have the direct debit option to link Interactive Brokers to your bank account, right? So the option that we are going to be taking a look at is BankWire. This is for international clients mainly, meaning clients that are not really in the United States. So scroll down, select where the funds will be deposited, select a bank. From the drop down, select your country, then enter your account number. Now from here, you need to enter your bank account number and the SWIFT code from your bank. You can find the SWIFT code on your bank's website, or you can just Google SWIFT code for whichever bank you're using and it will pop up, right? Then you're going to select the option that says yes. If your bank accepts transfers in USDs, select yes. And here you need to provide the institution name. In some cases, if your bank uses a correspondent bank, once it says bank information, it will ask you to select the correspondent bank details. And that's basically it. Now, once you link your bank account and you need to do a withdrawal, all you need to do is do the exact process and just select the bank account that you want to withdraw to. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.